Exploring the vastness, lost in space-time. Hello, everyone. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey through the realms of language, diving into the fascinating phrase, lost in space-time. This phrase conjures up images of vast universes and the mysteries of time, doesn't it? But what does it really mean, especially in everyday language? Stick with us as we unravel this intriguing expression and how you can use it to enhance your English communication skills. The phrase, lost in space-time, combines two vast concepts, space and time. Space refers to the physical universe beyond Earth's atmosphere, or more generally, the infinite area in which all objects and events exist. Time, on the other hand, is the ongoing sequence of events taking place, from the past through the present to the future. When we say someone is lost in space-time, we're not usually talking about astronauts or time travelers. Instead, we're using a metaphor to describe a feeling of being disoriented, confused, or overwhelmed by one's surroundings or circumstances. It's like saying someone is so caught up in the complexities or vastness of their situation that they feel lost. To better grasp the phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. During a lecture on quantum physics, I got so lost in space-time trying to follow the professor's explanation on quantum entanglement. 2. While navigating a new city, wandering through the old streets of the city without a map, I felt completely lost in space-time. 3. During a busy work week, with back-to-back meetings and endless deadlines, I was just lost in space-time, struggling to keep up. In these examples, being lost in space-time vividly expresses the feeling of being overwhelmed or out of one's depth, whether intellectually, physically, or emotionally. Using lost in space-time in your conversations can add depth and creativity to your language. Here are some tips. Use it metaphorically to describe feelings of confusion or being overwhelmed. Pair it with descriptive scenarios to give your listener a vivid picture of your experience. Be mindful of the context. This phrase fits best in informal settings or creative writing. Remember, the beauty of language lies in its flexibility and the endless possibilities for expression. Don't be afraid to experiment with phrases like this to convey your thoughts and feelings more dynamically. And that's a wrap on Lost in Space-Time. We hope this exploration has not only clarified the meaning but also inspired you to play with language and its myriad expressions. English is a vast universe in itself, and phrases like these are your vessels to navigate it. Thank you for joining us on this linguistic adventure. Keep experimenting with language, and see where it takes you next. Remember, the journey of learning is endless, and every phrase adds a new layer to your understanding. Happy learning, and until next time, keep exploring the vastness of the English language.